In this video, we will learn how to insert online picture in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Go to the insert tab and click on the pictures tool, and here have a three option. The third one, online picture. Just click on it, and here the open one dialog box. You can select the online picture those have in this data, and you can search here. Just click add the name those you want. Suppose I add here the cake and just enter. The cake picture is shown here. Then select your online picture and click on the insert. That's it. And if you want to edit on picture, the picture format tab is added here. You can easily edit on this picture. You can set the picture style, you can set some color, you can set some effects on the pictures, and you can crop this picture and you can change the size of this picture also. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.